feel just like a rock star.
Hey, what up, what up, what up? What's going on, guys? So it is your boy RockStarr here, and today we're gonna be doing some live trading with your boy. So we're gonna hit up these charts, see what we can make. I'm not looking to make nothing too big. This is actually one of my smaller accounts that I have here, that I'm trying to just, honestly, I'll be real with you, I'm trying to flip this real quick. So try to make some quick money, keeping a hundo. So let's see what I can make real quick on this small account. I'm not gonna over leverage. I've never really been big on over leveraging or anything like that. But if we can do a couple hundred within the next 2 to 3 days, that'll be perfect with this account. I'm actually up a couple hundred on my MT4 as well. Do I have any screenshots? Let me see if I have screenshots. This was a fire one. All right, so here's a screenshot that I have. So I'm not really allowed to post profits, but I can show you the charts. All right, I can show you the charts. We call it, I think like a 0.95, so almost a standard on that drop real quick. Scalped it for a couple hundred, so that's on the MT4 side. We're gonna be trading binaries tonight, seeing if we can make some money with you guys. So hopefully we can get some good setups in the market. I'll be honest, I don't see any right now on the currency pairs that I do trade. Let me check news real quick, see if there's any news. Blah, blah, blah. All right, so there's no news coming tonight. Let's look at the currency strength meter. Alright, cool. I think we're looking good. If this comes up to right here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that sell button. We got everything overbought down here. Let me see something real quick. That looks about right. Yeah, I'm thinking somewhere over here. This might be coming down now, actually. I think I just missed it. Oh yeah, we definitely missed that. Fuck. I still think it's gonna come up to that point though, but we missed it, UJ. So this is pretty much how I trade. Honestly, I have my setup. I know exactly what I'm looking for in the market. And I honestly just sift through each currency pair that I have up here until I find an actual pair with the setup. We just missed this one. Yep, we definitely just missed that one. This one should be coming down. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the setup, but it should be coming down. What is this? This is Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Boom, 80% payout. That's not bad. That is not bad. If I can get this to pull up to up here, we're gonna go ahead and hit that sell button for 5 minutes. So let's see. Let's wait for it. Boom. All right, so we hit that sell button right there. So I could have waited to come up here, but I think this is actually a good price right here. Let's see if it continues to push up. It does look like it might. If I have to roll over, I'll go ahead and hit the rollover button. That's actually why I like the brokers that I use, because we do have that feature, the rollover feature. But I got 1, 2, 3, so far 3 confirmations, actually 4 with the Bollinger Bands. We got this red arrow that just popped up, that's 5 confirmations. And then our volume bars just turned red, that's 6 confirmation. So it's a 6 confirmation, potentially 6 confirmation trade if we can keep these two. Right now we're at a 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If we can get that back and that red back, there's 2 minutes left in this candle. We got a 5-minute trade, so the candle would definitely be closed by the time the trade is good or not. I think we might have to roll this over. It is pushing up like crazy. This is Euro AUD, so let's look at this Euro AUD. So on the strength meter, they got equal strength. They're looking identical there. All right, so I'm thinking it might come back up to this point right here. I doubt it though. As long as we can see, I'm really just looking for the crossover right here. If I can get the crossover right here, that'll be an additional confirmation. But I did hit that rollover button to add more time. If it does push up to here, I'll go ahead and double up to get a better entry. But I do see this coming down. There we go. Now it's coming down. I think it's going to come down now. I think we are looking good. I'll go ahead and hit that double up button though. All right. So we got 2 positions open right now on this trade. Expiration time is at 06. So we got 6 minutes until this expires. All right, 6 minutes for the expiration. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna keep looking. I know that's Euro AUD. Oh, this one's looking nice. All right, we might hop into this. What is this? Oh, AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD. All right, that is looking good. I think I might get in. I'm gonna get in on AUD USD. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? AUD, 75%. Not the best payout, but let's see. It's kind of already making its move. If I can get the pushback to here, I'll go ahead and hit the buy button. If I can get the pullback, I'm not going to force the trade. I'm going to wait for that pullback. All right. Yeah, I think it's already making the move, so we might have missed this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that perfect look right there at the 694. Look at that, perfectly lined up. If we would have caught that right there, look at that. Look how perfect that is. Damn, that would have been a win right there. That would have been a solid win, man. I found it too late. I found it like literally like 20 seconds too late. If I would have found that 20 seconds earlier, we would have been super lit. All right, this one right here is in hella profits. Both positions looking to clear in the next 4 minutes, so we're doing good on that. Damn, if we can get this pullback, man, I still want to get the pullback on AUD USD. Is that? Yeah, AUD USD. Let's go to AUD USD. Oh man, this shit made the move. That would have been such a clean trade. Nah, it's already gone. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh my god, it's still pushing. It's still pushing. Count that as a win. I called it. I called it. Count that as a win. I don't care. All right, that was clean. That was dirty. All right, we definitely would have cleared that one. We're gonna go find some better setups here. This would have been a nice buy as well. Damn, I think we're literally just hopping in way too late on all of these. I wouldn't have gotten into that, even though that is pushing down. It's not looking clean. Let's check our current positions. All right, both of them still in profit. This might be a quick session, guys. And look, this is what I try to explain to everyone too. Like, I don't spend a lot of time on these charts. Like, I really try not to. You know, I try to get on, you know, get my bag real quick and get off. So these, look at this, teacup. Little teacup going there, right? For everyone that trades teacups. This is a solid sell. Oh, this is Euro CAD. This would have been a good sell as well. But I really, like I said, I don't try to stay on these charts for too long. I try to get my setups real quick and get off, especially on my main account. You know, $100 positions, $150 positions, win 2-3. I'm up about 300 for the day. And kind of just calling a day off of that. Like, I ain't here to cap. I ain't trying to make 30,000 plus a day. Just keeping it real with that. That would be awesome. But I also know me. I don't like to stay on the charts too long, so that wouldn't work out with your boy. Yeah, that's looking good, man. If your USD pulls back, I'm gonna get in on that. Let's just wait for this one to clear first, so we can see what we're looking at. See if we win this. All right, it's gonna be 2 positions. If we do, there we go. Oh, we definitely won that. And it's gone. It's out of here. All right, so we just cleared 2 positions on that. We can go ahead and look at Euro USD now. Nope, I think that bad boy just left the ballpark. Double clear. Cha-ching. There you go. Nice little payout on that. Let's look at Euro USD. 85% payout. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Euro USD. If we can get a pullback down to maybe this area right here, somewhere between the 68 and the 70 area is where I would want to see it at. we can get a nice pullback, I'll go in for the 5-minute buy, especially because this is trending up right now. So I'm a little more confident on the buys with this. Yeah, well, now we missed this one too. That's the thing about binaries, is like you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick with your entries. Like, you can't really hesitate. That's the one thing that does suck about it. You can't hesitate and you can't chase the trade. That's something that I definitely learned, is not to chase my trades and not to hesitate. So I definitely have been hesitating so far. I mean, not really hesitating, but you know, you also do want to make sure you have your proper markups and everything like that before rushing into a trade. That's something I used to do a lot, is just rush into the trade, and then when it starts to go the opposite way, I look at it as I'm losing, and I'm like, fuck, all right, I see why it's going the wrong way now, right? But by that time, it's already too late. So that's one thing I learned, is just to be more patient. You know, I've only really been on, we've been on this for about 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, we already cleared more than someone's hourly pay at work, more than the average person's 3 hourly pay at work, just keeping it real. So not doing too bad, not doing too bad. This new candle literally just opened, so I am kind of expecting a pullback. Usually it does, like when it drops at the beginning of a candle, it'll either just shoot down or you'll get a nice little pullback like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, look, it's pulling back up right now. It could work in our favor, it could not. Now this is also in a downtrend, so I'm, like I said, I'm a little bit more confident on placing sells on this one. The problem is when to sell, right? So it could, right now, it could hit this 618 and drop down. I'm thinking, honestly, it's gonna come to this middle band. I mean, to this this 200 moving average, but we went ahead and we placed it anyway. And if I have to roll over, once again, if I have to roll over, I'll go ahead and do that, no problem. I think I might have to hit that rollover. So right now we're waiting to pretty much see what this is going to do. If it's going to break the moving average and continue to push up, or if the moving average is going to act as a resistance right now, as a resistance and push the market back down. That's what I'm thinking is going to do, especially because this has been on such a strong downtrend. I think we should be good for that push down. So we're going to see. If it does pop back up to the moving average, I'll probably get in for another position, but we already have one open right here. So, and we rolled over. So we gave it some time. We're giving the market some time right now to make its move. So we don't really have to worry about that. But let's see. So this new candle opened. It is open bullish. There you go. So now we're getting that down push. So like I said, that 200 right there, and if we can get a push back up there, I'll definitely enter. But that 200 is definitely going to act as a resistance for the current market. So if it pushes back up to right here, I'll go ahead and I'll enter for another entry. I'm not going to double up. I'm going to put a whole new entry in there. Spike up, spike up. I told you, I don't rush the trades, man. I let the markets do what it does. Let the markets do what it does. I'm not feeded out for these entry points. That's one thing that I learned. I am a very impatient person, but trading has taught me patience. Trading has definitely taught me patience. If I can get just a small spike up, I'll go ahead and enter a new position on this trade, and we'll have two open. And if we clear both of them, then that will be 4 for 4 for the night. Honestly, I'll be done with that. This could be a quick video. That'll put me up over 100 in less than an hour. No income claims or anything like that. Just telling you what I'm expecting to make, right? Not hyping anyone up or enticing you to join me based off of my results. All right, just having some fun here. This is educational purposes, all right, guys? This is for educational purposes only. I don't want anybody to take what I'm doing here and try to, you know, misconstrue my intentions or whatever it is that people do nowadays. All right? RockStarr ain't promising millions overnight. I got in. I tried to catch this spike up, But what ended up happening is that when I clicked sell, it jumped down to here. So it got me in at a lower price. I hate when it does that. It's all good though. So we're in 2 positions right now. Hopefully we can get a bigger drop. I might end up, let me see. I don't know what is going on right now. It needs to move. And obviously not in the direction. I'm tempted to hit rollover. But I do feel like I can't roll over the top position. For those of you who know how rollovers work, for those of you who don't, I can't roll over the top position to buy more time on this trade because I'm already in profit. So if you're in profit, you cannot use the rollover feature. So these are 2 features that I actually really like using, which is rollover and double ups. Not all binary options brokers have these features, but the ones that I use, that I recommend, obviously do. And I love these features. I use them all the time. So double ups and rollovers. So we do see, like I said, this starting to push down, these starting to push down, which is a good sign. We got the volume bars that keep going red, which is also a good sign. As long as it can keep it up. Now, one thing that I do hate, and I would say brokers do this shit a lot, and you guys will probably see it towards the end of this trade. But those last second spike ups, man, like I'll be in profit. Look at that. The entire trade, you'll be in profit. And then last second out of nowhere, last minute, you know, you get this random ass spike up, goes all the way up to the top. And then, you know, if I could be an asshole, I'll probably just double up right now. All right. That's what my gut is telling me to do, double up. But then after the trade closes, you'll go ahead and you'll see the markets moving in your direction. Shit's annoying as hell. But it happens. So let's see. Right now we are currently in profits. There is less than a minute left on this trade. So let's see how this goes. All right, so the market's making the move that we wanted it to make. All right, it's definitely making that move. That's what I'm talking about. Volume bar went red. Boom. Come on. There we go. Cleared it. It's not spiking up. It's not spiking up. I'll leave this broker if it spikes up right now. There you go. All right, so we just cleared that. So we're 3 for 3 for the night right now. 3 for 3 on the trades, on the charts. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm about to flip this account. Right, for what I teach with our students, the next gen family. As a matter of fact, we're actually doing a training tomorrow morning, afternoon, depending on where you're at in the world. All right, we're doing a training. I'm going to be doing a strategy training at noon. All right, I live in New York, so noon my time. All right, so there goes my little strategy there for everyone that trades with me. As you can see, we're getting that drop that I always talk about. And that's what I want. Like, I want everybody to understand. Like, a lot of people, they get into trading. Like, you guys get into trading and you treat it like a guessing game. It's not a guessing game. Like, this is actual skill. This is actual technique that y'all can learn. Y'all can figure out exactly how the market's going to be moving. Of course, you're never going to be 100%, right? And I always say you're never going to be 100% when it comes to trading, but it's not about being 100%. It's about obviously collecting those wins, more wins than losses. And as long as you have the proper risk management, right, your risk to reward ratio isn't crazy, then you should always be up. You should always be up in profits. You should always be good to go. All right. So let's just see how this trade goes. You know, I don't want to talk too much here. So we are currently in profits on this trade. I did roll this over twice, so my payout pretty much doubled. My original order size doubled up on this. So if I win this, doing the math on everything, we're definitely up over 100% on this count. On this account, if I win. And in about, how long have we been trading? In about 30 to 40 minutes, I just made the average daily wage at work. All right, so we're just hitting buy real quick. So they can try to, they don't know which one to spike me out on, right? I don't know if this technique actually works, but a lot of, you know, traders actually do this. They'll place a few fake trades to avoid getting spiked out by the broker. Last second, last minute. I only placed 2. My joint is starting to freeze, so it always does this. But boom, we cleared it. 4 for 4 for the night, baby. 4 for 4, so we're done. We're gonna call it a night. And those fake out trades won. Those fake out trades won too. So there you go, another green added to the screen. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I think that was a pretty, what was that? Not mistaken, about 35-40 minutes of trading. Past performance does not guarantee future return, blah blah blah. But as you guys can see, this is actually my results for the whole day. So look, for the day, so we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's 10 for 10. I'm 10 for 10 for the day. Haven't lost a single trade today, but here on this live session we went 4 for 4 on the charts. The other 6 trades, I was actually doing a training with one of our students, one of our members, and I was just showing them how binaries works and how to mark up the charts, and how you place a dollar trade. So that's why you guys see some dollar trades here. You place a dollar, you're gonna win, that kind of stuff. So I was teaching them, but I was also doing some training as well. But regardless, we went for 10 for 10 for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Another little upload for you guys, live trading with commentary in my face and everything like that. So we're not yapping out here. No cap, no cap. All right. But if you enjoy it, guys, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this out, friends, family members. Show some love for your boy. Obviously, I want to be able to educate you guys, but to have fun as well here on these charts. And hopefully you guys just enjoy, man. Like, always come back, share the love, share the love, share the love, share the love in the comment section below. And if y'all have any questions about trading, binary options, or anything like that, y'all can always hit me up on Instagram or drop your questions in the comment box. And if y'all looking to actually join the team and trade with us, right, to trade with us, to learn with us, to go through the academy and everything like that, you want that actual mentorship to make money like this, and to see some results on the charts, hit me up on Instagram as well. Let me know that you're ready to get started with the program. We'll go ahead, we'll discuss, we'll get on a call. I'll answer your questions, break everything down for you, and we can run this thing up, man. But with that being said, guys, catch you guys on the next video. I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading it because I'm about to start traveling. But catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy RockStarr. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.